Welcome to the cloud. Today, we're diving into the world of cloud computing, specifically, Amazon Web Services, or AWS. Hold on tight, because in the next few minutes, we'll break down what AWS is and why it's become the backbone of the modern internet. In simple terms, AWS is like a massive, global, on-demand digital warehouse for computing power and resources. Imagine a huge data center filled with rows of servers, storage units, databases, and high-tech gadgets, all available to rent over the internet, just like paying for electricity. No need for companies to own expensive hardware anymore. Whether you're a startup on a shoestring budget or a Fortune 500 giant, AWS gives everyone access to the same cutting-edge tech. Think about all the websites, apps, and online services you use daily. Many of them are powered by AWS. From social media platforms to e-commerce sites, AWS runs behind the scenes, keeping things fast and scalable. But wait a minute. Isn't Amazon the company that delivers your books and gadgets? You're absolutely right. Amazon started as an online bookstore in the 90s, but they saw an opportunity to use their tech infrastructure for something bigger. By the early 2000s, Amazon had built a powerful system to support its growing e-commerce business. Then, in 2006, they asked themselves, why not rent out this infrastructure? And so, AWS was born. What started with just a few basic services has grown into a cloud computing giant that leads the market today. Let's explore some of AWS's core services. Think of AWS like a toolbox, with each tool designed for a specific task. First, there's compute power. AWS lets you rent virtual computers to run applications and websites, kind of like having a digital workhorse at your fingertips. Then there's storage, everything from simple file storage to high-performance databases that can handle mission-critical tasks. But that's not all. AWS also offers networking services to connect your cloud resources to the internet and databases to manage your data efficiently. Feeling adventurous? Dive into AWS's AI and machine learning services to build intelligent apps that can analyze data, make predictions, and even understand human language. So, why choose AWS? First, scalability. Need more computing power because your website is getting a lot of traffic? No problem, just scale up. Once things settle down, scale back to save money. It's like having an elastic computer system that adjusts as you need it. Second, reliability. AWS has data centers all over the world. If one goes down, your data is still safe in another. It's like having a backup generator for your entire IT system. And don't worry about security, AWS takes it seriously. With a wide range of tools and services, they make sure your data stays secure and protected. To sum it all up, AWS is a game changer. It gives businesses of all sizes access to powerful, scalable, and secure technology, without the hefty price tag of maintaining their own hardware. And that, folks, is why AWS is the cloud service provider of choice for so many. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech deep dives.